part will be polymorphism. As the word goes, we have poly and morph. So let's add the cell. We have poly, meaning many, and we have morph, which means smooth change. Polymorphism in Python can be implemented using an interface. And this interface is some sort of method which can take many different forms, which actually change depending on the input. So here we could define this. We define this interface which permits us obtain the area of the given smiley. So we have area interface. It takes in the object and then it returns that object dot head area. There we go. Now we've defined this interface. Let's add a cell below. Let's define this too. So firstly we have happy, and then we have sad. Sad is of type smiley and happy of type square smiley. So right here we could have area interface, and then we'll pass in happy. So let's run this, run that, and there we go. We see that once we pass in happy, we have its area. We could also pass in happy and then modify this and say, okay, we want a site value of say 20. Run that. We have now its area. We could pass inside and then pass in a radius of say, let's say 7, and then we have this area interface, which takes different forms depending on what we pass in or depending on the kind of object we pass in. Here we have set. We run that. Let's put in some prints here. We have print. There we go. Let's put in 1 here. That should give us 3.14 because it's pi raised to square, so that's fine. So we could have whatever value here, and we have its area. So this interface now permits us to use the same piece of code to obtain the area for 2 different objects, and this helps us easily modify our code and also maintain it.